know what is your passion. Now it's time to what? Discover or to know what's your strength and your weaknesses. When we talk about our strength, so by the way, this is also one of my creation. So all the images nga akong butang sa akong presentation are my creations. So what are your strengths? So let's talk about strength first. In my part, my strength is creativity. Maybe this kani creativity wala sa akong tao, at para na ako nakaanaho ni. Okay? Then hard work. Kung saan man nimo ang passion, kung wala din mo sabayan og hard work. Pagkapugihan, diligent, then willingness to learn. Okay? It doesn't mean nga na kay naibawan, it doesn't mean nga anha na mag-end ang tanan. No. Learning is continuous practice. So you must have the eagerness and willingness to learn every day. So these are my strengths. Creativity, hard work, and willingness to learn. Accept feedback. Kung may mga criticism, mga comments, accept mo. Because kanang nga mga criticism help you to learn. Okay? Then what are your weaknesses? So it says, fear of failure. I know kita tanan makadit ani nga mahadlok ta sa iyo mahadlok ta sa for competition. You love to sing but unfortunately you cannot join competition because you're afraid to fail it. Okay? So second, lack of experience. Then third, financial struggles and lack of time. Lack of experience. Kinahanglan as what I sir said nga doesn't mean nga wa kay experience dili lang po ka mo join, dili lang po ka magama, dili lang po ka maningkamot sa iyong paglingon. Mas masamot nga yung maka-experience kung di mo suwayan. Okay? Then second, financial struggles. This is normal, especially when it comes to designing. We need resources. We need sources. So, struggle ka dyan why financial. No, bitaw sometimes ako, it's freelancer lang siya because I am more focused on teaching side compared sa designer kay not all the time. Unlike sa tubig, mga ko yung sir nga, consume siya every day, every minute, every hour. Unlike sa designing, intended only for events. Kanya, saan man ang days nga no way events. Nga way ganon. Unlike sir kay mainit, mag-init, mauwan, gabi, mabuntag, ay tubig, doon. Unlike sa designing, intended only for events. For example, wala na, kuha ko ni sir sa iskin ninyo. For coronation, like example, like mga school events, mga buwan ng wika. So, may mga simple maka-income ka pero not everyday. But that's why I'm more focused on teaching side than sa designing. Siguro kung dato ko, I will be more focused than he because I have the financial support. Then lack of time. Lack of time in my part is because na ko lang priority ng trabaho. This is just my wala sa mga side part na ako nga passion na ganahan ko ato. Okay? So ako mga caution ni tanan ni is if weekdays gabi ko magama, if weekend for all day. Like sa bayan ko tanan wa koy gawas but for weekdays every night. Like what it way to. Then yeah, to be honest with yourself. London na siya. In finding your strength and weaknesses, in identifying your strength and weaknesses, you need to be honest. Di pwede nga, andad mo ko dali. Pero kabaw ka nga, hindi na ka na. Okay? So, kailangan nga you need to be honest in identifying your strength and your weaknesses. Then, your weaknesses are not the hindrance to success. They are opportunities to grow. Remember, ang atong mga weaknesses, atong mga kakulang, hindi na siya rason para give up ka sa tanan. It's a fuel, gas na siya para magpadayon ka sa imong pangandoy, sa imong passion. Okay? Part mo ng weakness doon, part siya ng weakness na to. So, the same with what I did. So, this is a costumes I created last San Miguel, Slopes na kada sa Hagna, 2026, September 25. So, this is my first time na nag-create ko San Miguel and Lucifer na costume. My first attempt became my greatest victory. I overcome my weakness. My weakness is I have no experience. Okay, ako experience kung pagkamaan ang costume. Like, I have no idea. Pero akong i-overcome ako ang weakness. So, luckily, the best in costumes ang duha. Best San Miguel and best Lucifer sila pag sa pista sa Hagna. Then knowing my competitors are coming from Cebu. So we're only three three choreographers coming from Hagna, I mean coming from Bohol, and the rest of the choreographers are from Cebu. And the rest of the designers also are from Cebu. Only ako, si Yuging. Kinong Yuging? Yuging from, also a designer from Dawis. So, luckily, nakuha na ko ang best and Miguel and Lucifer. So, it's a proud moment to me na knowing na tagahag na sad ko. So, ano lang ang part. Then, third one, build your skills every day. You have the passion. You're able to identify your strengths and weaknesses. Now it's your time to build your skills every day. So, are you familiar with the costume? Pwede familiar naman yun. Nakita na mo ng encounter na mo sa Facebook ninyo, sa time sa inyo. So, how to build your skills every day? Ways to improve. First, believe before others believe in you. What importante? Salig sa imong kagalingon. Dili pwede nga, siya nagsalig nimo, pwede ka magsalig sa imong kagalingon. No matter what, kinahanglan magsalig ka sa imong kagalingon. Bahala silang tanan, walang salig nimo, pero kinahanglan magsalig ka sa imong kagalingon. Okay? Then, practice consistently. Dante siya. For example, in my designing, practice. Na ako yung mga materials, ako yung mga na makita ng mga tutorials, ako na siyang sundugon, mahimo, mga tutorials, sundugon, nahilang tutorials sa internet. I don't have the proper education when it comes to designing. It's a kanang self-investment ako designing. Wala akong eskwela for designing. It's just my full na siyang passion gina. Okay? Then watch tutorials and attend workshop. So, for workshop, atin ako sa workshop sa Hagna, with Tanghalang Filipino, yung Friday sa una, and also for Tagbilaran sa mga under siya sa province of Bohol. And then, learn from experienced people. Yes.